Good evening, everyone. We are all gathered here for the 33rd installation of the Office Bearers of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin. Before we begin our official function, may I request everyone to please put your mobile phones on silent mode, and those who have joined us in Zoom, kindly mute yourself. Thank you so much. The dignitaries are already seated on the dais. Let me introduce them. President Shyamala Gopakumar, our Chief Guest PDG Padmaja S. Menon, Incoming President Jyoti Surendran, Incoming Secretary Alina Matthew, Rotary Greater Cochin President Trevin Billy E. Menon. Before we start the ceremonies, I would like to say that even though we are taking utmost care to bring all the program live to you on this web platform, please do forgive us for any unforeseen delays or glitches during the meeting. So let's start the ceremonies now. In the absence of Secretary Anita Thomas, who is present online, yes, I request Vice President Kamal Ravimont to call our President Shyamala Gopakumar. Request President Shyamala Gopakumar to kindly call the meeting to order.
The meeting in connection with the installation of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin is called to order.
Lighting the lamp is sure to drive away darkness even from the minds. I request the members on the dais to do the honors. So no function can begin well without an incantation to the Almighty. Bindu Harikrishnan will be presenting a dance invocation online.
गजाननं भूत गणादि सेवितं कपित्तजम्बू फलसार भक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्.
Thank you, Bindu. Now I call upon Simi Sakriya to present the Innerville prayer. Request everyone to rise and do the honor for the Innerville prayer.
Innerville prayer. Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our cultures and creeds, and of us with the desire to serve our parliament, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever the needs for service arises, help us to be ready to serve and ready to make our badge of Innerville worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain. Thank you.
Thank you, Simi. Now I call upon Lata Shashidran to formally recognize the officials and guests.
A warm good evening to all. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to 33rd year of installation ceremony of IWC Greater Cochin. This is a period of uncertainty due to COVID pandemic with different controls changing at times apart from the usual protocols in place. But show must go on as we, Innerwheel Club of Greater Cochin members, assembled here and on web platform to witness change of guard as new Innerwheel team under the leadership of Jyoti Surendran takes charge for the year 2021-22. Let me begin welcoming the dignitaries on the dais. President Shyamala Gopakumar, our chief guest of the day, PDC Padmaja Menon, Government of India nominee in the Kerala State Social Welfare Board, incoming President Jyoti Surendran, incoming Secretary Alina Matthew, and Rotary Greater Cochin President Bilay Menon. Let me welcome our CGR Shweta Vasudevan on the web platform. It is a tradition in our culture to seek blessings of seniors and leaders like PDCs and all dignitaries. I welcome you all. Next, I would like to welcome our ESO PDC Saraswati Kannan, who is going to induct our new member during this occasion. I welcome you, madam. I would like to take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to our sister club president, secretaries and members and guests, including Rotarian Advocate Surendran, husband of our incoming president Jyoti. Last but not least, I sincerely welcoming our own club members, wishing the new team an eventful year. Stay healthy, stay safe and save others.
Thank you so much. Now, I request President Shyamala Gopakumar to give the presidential address.
Warm welcome to all. Chief Guest of the Day, PDC Padmaja Menon, District Vice Chairman Asha Sunil, ESO PDC Saraswati Kannan, CGR Shweta Vasudevan, all the respected past district chairman, incoming President Jyoti Surendran and Secretary Alina Matthew, Sister Club Presidents, Secretaries and members, President of Rotary Club of Greater Cochin, Rotary Bilay Menon, and Secretary Shivashankar, our own Innerwheel sisters and our invited guests. Today, the 22nd of July 2021 is a very special day for me. This day, I completed one successful year as the president of the prestigious Innerwheel Club of Greater Cochin. This day, I can thankfully remember all the help and cooperation extended to me by all the Innerwheel sisters who have contributed to an eventful Innerwheel year. This day, I can fondly cherish all the good services we have been able to contribute to the society during the last Innerwheel year. This day, when I am confidently handing over the responsibility to a very dynamic, efficient, sincere incoming President Jyoti Surendran, Secretary Alina Matthew and their team of office bearers. During dear Innerwheel sisters, this pandemic has not deterred our enthusiasm for having an exciting Innerwheel year. Though we couldn't meet in person, all of us easily switched over to a digital platform. All projects and events which were planned online was executed successfully with the help and support of each and every member. With the help of few of our talented program coordinators, Gauri and Simi, we are successfully in conducting main events like Onam, Diwali and Independence Day through the virtual platform. We were able to release 2 wonderful videos for the occasions. Having said that, we were also instrumental in conducting 2 physical meetings of Christmas and Chairman's visit during the January. The excitement and happiness expressed by the members who could attend this program, thereby getting an opportunity to meet their Innovative sisters physically after a long gap, was a delight in itself. The pandemic, however, did not stop us from extending our hand to the needy. We were instrumental in completing at least one project out of the district priority projects instituted by our district chairman. More details about the project we have completed will be shared soon in the Secretary's report. Nevertheless, I would like to touch upon one prestigious project of our club, which was the providing of dustbins in Panampalli Nagar walkway. This project of providing specially designed dustbins manufactured out of high-quality stainless steel was well appreciated by general public as well as the district administration. We were fortunate to have our district chairman, Deepthi Anu, to inaugurate this project during the chairman's visit in the presence of the Honorable Mayor of Kochi, Sri Anil Kumar, who was the chief guest for the event. Other dignitaries like District Secretary Asha Sunil and our senior Sajani Gobi were present during this event. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my husband, Rotarian, MD HMS Gopakumar, and also President of Better Kochi Response Group for the design of the dustbin. Moving on, I would like to thank all the members who have individually done many community service projects through Innerville. I find myself privileged to represent the club as it is president during the tenure of Innerville Chairman Deepthi Anu. She was instrumental in providing timely advice and reassuring encouragement throughout this Innerville year. Our district secretary Asha Sunil and our CGR Sajani Tomi was also very supportive for all our endeavors. The unreserved support and encouragement extended by the President Secretary of our sister club of the District 320 for all the projects and programs initiated by our club needs a very special appreciation. Most importantly, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our club secretary Anika Thomas for all the great work she has done for the Innerville year. I also express my sincere gratitude to all my Innerville sisters of Greater Kochi for assisting us to make this a very successful Innerville year. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my entire family for the unconditional support they have provided this year for my tenure as Innerville President. Now it is time for our incoming President, Jyoti Surendran, Secretary Adina Matthew, and office bearers to take over the mantle of this prestigious club. I, along with the members of our club, are very confident that they will do magnificent job to make the coming Innerville year a bigger success. I join everyone present here to wish them the very best. Together, let us remain strong to build a strong one, to make a stronger world. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that enlightening speech with a lot of insights to our club. So now we are all anxious to hear what all has been happening in our club. So to give a synopsis, we will now see the Secretary's report. Sorry, as our Secretary Anita Thomas is absent, but she is present online. We will be showing a presentation on the club activities. We also have a message from her, and we have a brief message from her also. Can we play the video, please?
Hello, my dear friends. I'm really sorry for not being there for the Secretary report. Thank you very much for all the support you have given. Also, I'm taking this opportunity to wish and congratulate our very vibrant incoming President Jyoti and her team of office bearers. Once again, thank you very much. Take care. Love you all.
Innerville Club of Greater Cochin commenced for the year 2020-2021, installing the new office bearers led by Mrs. Shyamala Gopakumar as President on 20th July 2020. The meeting was held at Hotel Tribute Royal, Cochin, in compliance with COVID protocols, restricting members less than 20 in physical, and rest of our members, invited guests and our sister club members attending the meeting through the online platform. District Secretary Asha Sunil and PDC Padmaja S. Menon attended the meeting. Incoming President Shyamala Gopakumar was collared by PDC Padmaja S. Menon in the absence of President Maya Jayaraj. Projects done during installation. Extended our help for a nursing student for her studies to the tune of Rs 5,000. Financial support was rendered to Assisi Special School Puchigil to the tune of Rs 40,000 and the amount was contributed by our member Minnie George. Maya Jayaraj contributed an amount of Rs 10,000 to an old age home. Extended our support by providing Rs 6,000 to a physically challenged boy. Community service projects. The year started with the project Breastfeeding Awareness in association with Ernakulam General Hospital's maternity ward. Pamphlets and brochures promoting breastfeeding was distributed in the maternity ward, and we also distributed masks, sanitizers, baby towels and health drink sachets to the lactating mothers to the tune of Rs 6,000. Our club celebrated August 15th, the Independence Day, by honoring Lieutenant Commander P.K.N. Pillai with a token of our respect for serving our country. We provided beds to COVID hospitals for COVID patients worth Rs 5,500 and gave Rs 2,500 to blind girl students from Madras to buy her study materials. Handed over masks, sanitizers, oximeters to Kalamassery Medical College to the tune of Rs 15,000. Handed COVID kit to women police in COVID duty worth Rs 5,000. Rajeshri and Jyoti gave Rs 3,500 worth COVID kit to Tiruvoram Murugan. Kamal Ravimon contributed Rs 4,500 worth grocery to a family at Chellana flood-affected area. The most prestigious project of our club was the provision of dustbins in Panampally Nagar walkway. This project of providing specially designed dustbins manufactured out of high-quality stainless steel was well appreciated by general public as well as the district administration. The project was inaugurated by our district chairman Deepthi Anup in the presence of Honorable Mayor of Kochi Sri Anil Kumar, who was the chief guest for the event. Other dignitaries like District Secretary Asha Sunil and our own CGR Sajini Tommy were present during the event. The total project cost was Rs 1.5 lakhs. CGR Sajini coordinated the clubs coming under her on road awareness, and our club members actively participated for the program. Meetings, speaker meetings and celebrations. Club executive meetings were conducted every month through the virtual platform. We conducted 9 board meetings and 9 general body meetings. Speaker meeting expert in waste management, Mr. Kabir Harun, had given a detailed talk and awareness on waste management through the virtual platform, and it was conducted during one of our general body meetings. Onam was celebrated in style with all members participating in an online event. We also made a beautiful Onam celebration video which was played during the event. Diwali was also celebrated differently with a video of recipes of Diwali sweets made by our members. Christmas was celebrated in a physical event at Hotel Park Central. It was well attended and all COVID protocols were followed. For the District Rally 320, our members did a fabulous dance program which was recorded and sent to the district. This was exhibited during the virtual District Rally celebration. We had 5 members registering for the district conference at Ooty and 4 members physically attended the conference. Shyamala Gopakumar and Remini Johnson registered for the virtual International Innerville Conference at Jaipur on the 17th and 18th of April 2021. It was really a good experience for the members who attended. Our chairman Deepthi Anu visited our club for a physical meeting at Park Central. During the meeting, our chairman honored Dr. Ammu of Innerville Club of Cochin West for being an exemplary COVID warrior. Our club also donated Rs 5,000 worth sports kit to the blind women's team. The kit was sponsored by our own member Rajeshri Rajendran.
Now here comes the star of the day, our incoming President Jyoti Surendran, the ever cheerful, bubbly lady who is a friend to everyone she meets. But apart from the fact, there are a lot of things we would love to hear about her. So I request Kamal Ravimon to officially introduce our incoming President, Jyoti Surendran.
President Shamla, Chief Guest of the day, Parpanja Menon, dignitaries on and out the rise, investor invited guests and my ANM sisters. Good evening. It's my proud privilege to introduce to you our incoming President Jyoti Surendran. Jyoti was born to a reputed business family of Kozhikode. Her father A.P. Balakrishnan Pillai was a reputed jeweler and her mother Ammani Amma. I think she is the seventh child of her family. After her education, Jyoti was married to Advocate Surendran, a well-known lawyer of Ernakulam. Jyoti is a homemaker, a great host, and a good cook. As is known to us, she is very down to earth and a public lady, who is fond of hosting guests and sharing her culinary skills. We can look forward for many a dinner lunch meetings from her. She is also very helpful and extends a helping hand in times of need. She was a member of Weissman's Merit Club, Cochin South, and was its president and secretary on more than one occasion. She joined our club in the year 2000. She had done many positions in our club. She has been the president, secretary, bulletin editor, and held other important positions year after year. During her time, our bulletin by name Greater Views was launched. She was also acted best bulletin editor of the district during her tenure. She was managed these positions very well. She is blessed with 2 children. Her daughter is a lawyer and a Zumba trainer, married to an ENT surgeon from Payyanur. Her son-in-law hails from the family of Subramaniam, the Doyen of cinema in Kerala, and was the past president of Rotary Club of Payyanur Midtown, and presently DRFC in Rotary District 3202. Her son is an MBA who operates a poultry and a dairy farm in Malappuram. Daughter-in-law runs a cosmetic clinic in Trivandrum. Jyoti is also a grandmother of 3 families. We can also look forward for a wonderful interview ahead, full of interactions and activities. With these words, I have great pleasure to present to you our incoming President Jyoti Surendran. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that inspiring introduction about this lovely lady. Her skills do come as a surprise. We are coming to the crucial event of the day. President Shamala Gopakumar will be handing over the office to our incoming President Jyoti Surendran. President Shamala Gopakumar will be coroning the new incoming President Jyoti Surendran and also fill her with the responsibility.
I hereby install Jyoti Surendran as the President of the Innerville Club of Greater Cochin 2021-22.
Congratulations to our new president. Now the charter will be handed over by Shamala Gopakumar to the incoming secretary Alina Matthew. Yes, you can officially change the seats now.
I declare Jyoti Surendran as the President of the Innerville Club of Greater Cochin 2021-22.
A big round of applause, please. I request President Jyoti Surendran to install Shamala Gopakumar as the immediate past president.
I will start what activity to Shamala Gopakumar, but immediate past president.
And as a token of appreciation, President Jyoti Surendran will be handing over a gift to immediate past President Shamala Gopakumar. A big round of applause, please. Now, I request President Jyoti Surendran to give the acceptance speech.
Chief guest of the day, VDC Padmaja S. Menon, Vice Chairman Asha Sunil, immediate past President Shamala Gopakumar, my Secretary Alina Matthew, ESO VDC Saraswati Kannan, Rotarian President Vijay Menon, current and past district officers, sister club, president and secretaries, and all others online and my dear friends. I am so much elated. I am very happy to accept the post of president for the second time after 20 years. This club has gone much above many of the clubs around. Unity is our strength. I have experienced the warmth of interview during the past 20 years. I have attended many assemblies, rallies, and conferences, and will enjoy interview. With the little experience and ability I have acquired during these years, I hope I will be able to discharge the duties expected of me. I will be guilty if I not remember and salute our senior starting president Indira Chechi and charter secretary Lakshmi Chandran, treasurer late Prava Chechi, late Pellama Chechi, and Rosemary Pulvira and past President LCND, all whose advice this club grew to this hat. Now, under the leadership of District Chairman, Mrs. Alameri Sriramkrishnan, I am thrilled to take this assignment, and I am sure with the support of my dear friends, I can lead the club to greater heights. It is my confidence. Now, let us remember that life has no guarantee. Therefore, it is our duty to make the most of each day. Living for others is the rule of nature for women. Hence, we are all born to help others. In this platform, let us all join together, work and enjoy inner peace. For this year is very important. It represents women. It is their strength, energy, youthfulness, romance, and is more over a cheerful color like our interview members. Supporting and empowering children, youth and women to reach the forefront of the society, to fight against the evil that they are facing, mainly women and children. We have to take the lead to abolish all discrimination against women. ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ സ്ത്രീധന സമ്പ്രദായത്തിനെതിരെയും സ്ത്രീ സുരക്ഷിത കേരളത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയും കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട കേരള ഗവർണർ ആരിഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഖാൻ തന്റെ ഉപവാസത്തിന് ശേഷം ഗാന്ധി ആശ്രമത്തിൽ നടത്തിയ പ്രസംഗത്തിലെ ചില ആശയങ്ങൾ വളരെ പ്രസക്തമാണ്. സ്ത്രീധനത്തിനെതിരെ ശബ്ദമുയർത്താൻ സ്ത്രീകൾ തന്നെ ശക്തരാക്കുകയും വേണമെന്നും സ്ത്രീ സുരക്ഷിത കേരളം, സ്ത്രീധന വിമുക്ത കേരളം എന്നായിരിക്കണം മുദ്രാവാക്യം എന്നാണ് ആഹ്വാനം ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ചീഫ് ഗസ്റ്റിന്റെ ഔദ്യോഗിക പദവി നമ്മുടെ ടീമിനോട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് കിടക്കുന്നതാണ്. Entire country is with us. We have pink police and pink collectors in 8 districts in Kerala. I make sense and meaning in our theme Pink First and Women First. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care. God bless you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, the President, for the first speech. Next, we come to the official induction of the office bearers. Vice President Rajashri Rajendran, she is online. She is absent today.
I installed Vice President Rajashri Rajendran.
Secretary Alina Matthew.
I installed Secretary Alina Matthew 2021 and 2022.
Joint Secretary Simi Sakaria.
Joint Secretary. I installed Joint Secretary Simi Sekriya 2021-22.
Treasurer Leena Shashindran.
I installed Leena Shashindran Treasurer 2021-22.
ISO Shakila Ramesh.
I installed Shakila Ramesh ISO.
Editor Dr. Gracie Thomas.
I installed Editor Gracie Thomas 2021-22.
Attendance Kala Mohan.
I installed Kala Mohan Attendance 2021-22.
Community Service Ramani Johnson and Geeta Ramachandra Menon.
I installed Community Service Ramani Johnson and Geeta Ramendra Menon 2021-2022.
Program Committee Anita Thomas and Annie Varghese.
I installed Anita Thomas and Annie Varghese. Program Coordinators 2021-22.
Advisory Board Sheila Kuchause, Kamal Redamon and Lata Shashindran.
I installed Advisor Board Kamal Redamon, Sheila Kuchause, Lata Shashindran 2021-22.
Yes, that's the new board members for you. I think we can come and take a picture, everybody. The board members, please, onto the dais so that we can take a. Yes, congratulations to the new team, 2021-2022. Thank you so much. You may all be seated.
Our club has a lovely history of doing lovely projects every year. So this year also we have identified genuine cases and some of them are all here as well. So our club is delighted to honor Miss Tripti Jain with a memento and rupees 5,000 in appreciation of her selfless humanitarian services during the COVID-19 pandemic. She held a big part in the cremation and sanitization of those affected by COVID. Miss Tripti Jain, I think someone is here to represent him. Please come forward and request President Jyoti Surendran to do the honors. Please come and connect. Thank you so much. Our club is proud to sponsor a mobile phone worth rupees 6,000 as study equipment for online classes for Anamika Jijesh. She's a student of 3rd standard of St. Vincent LP School, Palliyakkal. Anamika, yes. The cutie is coming forward. And I request Chief Guest PDC Padmaja Menon to do the honors. Thank you so much. Our member Maya Jairaj has sponsored rupees 10,000 to Hope World Old Age Home, Kundampuram. I request Lily Ellis and Saili of Hope World Old Age Home to come forward. Request Rotary Greater Cochin President Rotarian Bilay Menon to please hand over the check. We would like to acknowledge the contribution of rupees 40,000 by our member Minnie George to SCC Special School Panavalli. This was already given to Sister Dolly of SCC Special School, and we just wanted to acknowledge. And we'd also like to acknowledge the contribution of our members Jyoti Surendran, who's the president, and Rajashri Rajendran, who has sponsored 4,000 and 8,000 respectively to the Indian Blind Football Federation (IBFF) to provide financial support to the blind women's football team. A big round of applause. Thank you for all of them. Thank you so much. That concludes our projects, and now we will go to the bulletin release. I request our editor, Dr. Gracie Thomas, to please hand over this year's bulletin to the Chief Guest PDC Padmaja Menon, inaugurate and give the first copy to Rotary President William.
That's our bulletin. A big hand.
Dr. Gracie is a close friend of mine, and it was a pleasure to release the bulletin edited by Dr. Gracie. She works amongst children of different schools. Actually, she has come to a school sponsored by our club also. വളരെ well-known gynecologist, and I'm sure she'll be in the coming bulletin. She'll be giving us a lot of help, tips also. Chichi, congratulations for the wonderful work you have done.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Strong Women, Stronger World is the international inner-wheel team, and who else is more apt to be our chief guest than the Government of India nominee in the Kerala State Social Welfare Board and the National Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Mahila Morcha. Yes, our very own PDC Padmaja Menon, the strong woman who will bring about a stronger world. So may I request Sheila Kochausep to formally introduce the woman of substance, our chief guest PDC Padmaja Menon.
The newly elected President Jyoti, Vice President Shamla, PDC Padmaja, the chief guest of the day, Secretary Lena Matthew, Rotarian President Vijay Menon, other dignitaries and ladies and gentlemen. My pleasant duty today is to introduce our chief guest, a very vibrant Padmaja Menon. She is a past district chairman, and she is a member of the Innovate Club of Kochi. She has celebrated Silver Jubilee as an Innovate member. That's a great achievement. Congratulations. And the district chairman, she created world records in maximum number of new clubs formed in her tenure, also maximum number of members, new members. She is currently the central government nominee to Kerala State Social Welfare Board and also the National Secretary of BJP Mahila Morcha. She is an accomplished dancer and a sports person, has represented Kerala State and University in table tennis and Kho-Kho. She was a member of the Veterans Table Tennis team, which won the gold at 2015 nationals. She has won President's Award in Girl Guiding and has represented India in the World Seminar on Communication held in Switzerland. She has won the Best Woman Journalist in India award for outstanding writing on women's issues. She has about 300 published articles and photographs to her credit. She penned a column, Be the Passive, in the Grahakshmi magazine, which was greatly appreciated by the readers. She was a Rotary Group Study Exchange team member to Tennessee, USA. The state of Tennessee honored her with the honorary citizenship and conferred her with deputy sheriff title. She is one of the first lady Rotarians in the state of Kerala. She is the first lady chairperson of Kerala University Students Union, was the University Union Councillor from St. Teresa's College, Ernakulam. She also contested as the BJP NDA candidate from Ernakulam constituency in the recently held elections in Kerala State. With these words, I present our very vibrant Padmaja Menon. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Thank you for those lovely words. I think we'll go on and on about her because a lot of achievements. So I request our multi-talented chief guest, PDC Padmaja Menon.
Thank you, Sheila. Sheila was the district rally secretary when I was the district chairman, and also the theme that year was Vibrant Roses for the rally. So when Sheila kept saying vibrant, vibrant, I was really happy. It took me to my year as district chairman, and I should say before I start my speech that this club is very special to me. Each and every person is well known to me. At the time, I think Kamal was my batchmate president. That time till this day, I have visited your club every time. Last year I thought I may not be able to make it because of the COVID pandemic, but Shamala invited me and I came like this personally, so I have not missed a single installation meeting of your club for the last 14 years. So I think that's also a record. Anyway, I'm so happy. Our new president, 33rd president, Jyoti Surendran, immediate past president Shamala Gopakumar, secretary Alina, and our Rotary president Vinay Menon, and all my dear friends sitting here. It's a pleasure. I always get a chance to, except last year, I get a chance to felicitate you after the election. So this year and last year also, I got the opportunity to be the chief blessing. Whatever it is, it's a pleasure. Even if I'm very, very, very busy, I remember when Shamala was giving that race bills. I was understanding the election, I was running for the, and I really wanted to come, but because of the rains, I couldn't. I was so upset because I've never missed a function to Greater Cochin Club. Whenever I'm invited, I somehow or the other make it a point to attend, but that time I was really busy being the candidate of Ernakulam constituency, and I'm so happy, Shamala, you selected Pandulinagar. Because I decided Pandulinagar. So and we use those bins every day. Thank you to Innovate Club of Greater Cochin. You always come out with novel ideas. You can always come out with projects which serve the humanity in larger scene, not just for a person but for a community as it is to serve. And you know how Gopan is. Gopan always decides things so creatively, so the things are also very solid but very useful also. This year, the Innovate team, International Innovate President Mrs. Evi Martinez has given us the theme, Strong Women, Stronger World. Yes, I do agree that for the world to be strong, women has to be stronger. It is the women with their dedication, commitment and sincere, invaluable contribution to the mankind who lays the foundation for a strong world. We are basically strong. We can shoulder 100 things at a time and deliver the best results. Don't you all agree when I say that? Most of you must be sitting here doing almost all the work, not I'm saying because most of us have got help at home, but we do a lot of things. We keep everything ready for the children, everything ready for the in-laws, everything ready for the parents, husband, everything. We keep the house spick and span, but at the same time, we find time to do a lot for the society also. The men sitting here, with due respect to all of you, don't do half the work we do. Right? Yes, the president is nodding. You come to a warm house. Yes, you come to a warm house, well lit, well cooked, everything taken care of, even the dress, everything kept ready. But we are behind all those things. A woman has to be strong. The society to be strong, we have to be strong because even the child, when it's in the womb, Dr. Shirley will agree to me, it's for us to take care of the baby. For the society to be strong, we have to nurture the child during our pregnancy, during the child's small ages, and even when the child is old. We are the ones who always take care of the children. So for the society to be strong, we have to be strong. So ladies, what I have to say, tell you is during this pandemic, please make sure that you are strong. You take care of your health.
then only the family will be strong, the society will be strong. Do whatever precaution that has to be taken, please do that. And I'm so happy to see all of you wearing your masks. Not always that we see a crowd with all masked faces, but here everybody is wearing masks. That's also a good attitude. Only in Innerville and Rotary you find people adhering to the laws. So that's that. I think we can give a clap to ourselves. We are basically strong. We can shoulder 100 things at a time and deliver the best results. During this unexpected pandemic COVID, each and every Innerville member as an individual and as a team has done their best to strengthen the bonds between each other and to strengthen the society too. Nothing could stop us from doing the best for our brethren. Actually, we're doing better during COVID times than the normal times. We thought when the COVID started, we may not be able to do anything much, but I'm sure like our district chairman, she must be online. First she thought, oh God, what can I do? My year is gone. But later, I'm sure even Anita was giving the report and we will listen to that. So much each and every person has done. We have done beyond our capacity also. If somebody has come, we have given so many things today. Even if we can't afford, we could, we did whatever we asked for. Even Shamala during our term as president, I know so many things, so many small phones to small children like this. Every day they call and tell me, Mother, I'm doing that, I'm doing this. Is that okay? I said, you have to. Even if you can't, you just call the other clubs also. So many clubs have done that, like that also. If they can't do a project alone, they hold in other clubs. With the help of many people together, we can create a lot of change, make the world a stronger place to live. That's exactly what the Innerville Club of Greater Cochin has also done. We have been doing that because every year I come for the installation, you start the year with a plan. You do a lot of projects on the opening day itself. Until the last day, till June 30th is the Innerville calendar year. That's the last year for the Innerville calendar year. Till June 30th, each and every club do whatever is possible. They don't think, oh, just 1 month to go, just 1 week to go, just 1 day to do. Whatever request you get, we try to do in whatever possible manner. Even the International Innerville Convention, to which we all look forward to attend in large numbers, was hosted virtually, and it was a great experience. I can see Lina, I can see Remini Aunty. We're all together traveling to, and Lakshmi and Manju, our Koilas are not here. They understand the joke behind that. Remini Aunty, we were looking forward to traveling to. Many would have joined the travel group because it's in India, but due to COVID we couldn't travel, but they made sure, who had registered for the conference will know, they made sure that it's like a real-time experience. So much pain has taken, they've done it impeccably well, and I'm sure only a ladies organization will be able to do things in style. Whatever, whether it's a pandemic time, you cannot go out of the house, whether you have to wear mask or whatever it is, we put our heart and soul into whatever we do. That's why the International Innerville President has given us the theme, strong women, stronger world. If we are strong, the world naturally will become stronger. That's what she meant by that. Because I spoke to her, she was coming as speakers for many of the club installation meetings, and personally also I spoke to her. She said, this is the best theme I could think of for this COVID pandemic season. So Remini Aunty, Leena, Lakshmi and Manju, if you are watching online, don't worry. Next convention is going to be in Manchester in 2024. We all will travel together and we have a blast. Strong women doesn't mean that we cannot have our share of fun too. We have to have our share of fun too. So I'm looking forward to travel. They're an excellent group. Innerville Club of Greater Cochin, whether it's in Delhi during my district chairman visit, I think 15 or 16 of you were there at Delhi supporting me. No, so not supporting me, the district. You people love to travel. But one thing I'll have to say, you people came to Kolkata. I was sorry for the convention. Not even a single person. I think I got 50 of Innerville Club of Greater Cochin members are in Calcutta.
They came to Calcutta. I never entered the convention arena. But anyway, we enjoyed. That's what matters in India. Okay. And that 2024 convention is going to be our centenary convention too. We'll be completing 100 years of International Inner Way has three key objectives. The first one is to promote true friendship, to encourage the ideals of personal service, to foster international understanding. Any woman who shares these three central aims of International Inner Way can be the member of Inner Way. Today, we are spread across 104 countries in 3,979 clubs with 1,08,614 members. It's a huge organization, the largest women's organization in the world, and I'm sure we are electing a new member today. Mola, you should be proud that you are joining such a great organization, and we should always wear the pin with pride, because it's not that everybody gets a chance to be the member of Inner Way. It's by invitation you are a member of this great club. It's a beautiful club, wonderful club, Inner Way Club of Greater Kochi. The three key objectives of Inner Way makes our organization a simple but strong one. The trust is given on one word, and services done by each member for the cause of the society makes the world a stronger one. The whole world is looking upon women's strength to take the world to the next millennium. In India itself, we have 11 women ministers and 8 governors. Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman is the first lady defense minister and now the first lady finance minister of India. The world is awakening and acknowledging the strength of women. We in Inner Way has proved again and again that we women are strong in whatever we do, and will make the world stronger by actions and services. I take this opportunity to congratulate Jyoti Surendran, the 33rd President of Inner Way Club of Greater Kochi. I was the district chairman when Jyoti was the club editor, and she won the best editor award also that time. Alina is the second time secretary, and Jyoti is the second time president, and between them and with the experienced set of committee members and 3 very strong past presidents, we have a wonderful year, Jyoti. I'm sure we will rock and we have we scale greater heights in friendship and service. And dear Shyamala, very accomplished person, and Anita Thomas, who was the CGR during my year as the district chairman. I hope Anita is watching me from America. They are all of you are my close friends, and Anita and Jyoti, Shyamala as well is a very close friend of mine. And as I said, thank you for that speech and all the work you have done, Shyamala. And Anita and team Inner Way Club of Greater Kochi for the wonderful year that just went by. I extend my hand of support and friendship to Jyoti, Alina, and all the members of Inner Way Club of Greater Kochi. Together, let's have a wonderful, enjoyable Inner Way year, doing full justice to the Inner Way team, strong women, stronger world. Thank you.
Thank you so much for those lovely words of wisdom. It does come as a breath of fresh air for us. Thank you so much. Now we come to the introduction of new member, and she is Shruti Nivedita. I request Shakira Ramesh to introduce Shruti Nivedita.
My dear Inner Way sisters, a warm good evening to all of you. It is always a pleasure to introduce a new member to our club. I am here to introduce a vibrant entrepreneur, Shruti Nivedita. She is a daughter of K.P. Pavitran and Uma from Puthuparambu, Kannur. She did her initial studies at Puthuparambu High School, secondary school, and graduated in electronics and electronic engineer from College of Engineering, Kochi. She started working at FACT Kochi. After a while, she switched on to media as her interest was on the creative fields. She quit her job and started working with Trend Adfield Media at Bangalore under V.K. Prakash, a renowned filmmaker. In the meanwhile, she also runs a media and advertising firm under the brand name Alanglo Media, which specializes in advertising and digital marketing. I'm sure Shruti Nivedita will be an added feather to the Innovate Club of Greater Cochin. So I present Shruti Nivedita. Thank you.
I request ESO PDC Saraswati Kannan to induct the new member. She is present online, but I think the payment will be done by our chief guest, PDC Padmaja Menon. ESO PDC Saraswati Kannan, if you're online.
Good evening to everyone. A club will grow only when new members join our fold, and I am really glad that I have been given this special honor to induct one new member, Shruti Nivedita. Here I am presenting some information to you, Shruti's voluntary service organization. It is devoted to help others and offer friendship, service, and support. The objectives of International Inner Wheel are to promote true friendship, to encourage the ideals of personal service, to foster international understanding. Dear Mr. Shruti, there are no rights without corresponding obligations. Your right to become a member of this club is an exclusive one. We are sure that you will welcome the responsibilities of with it and hope that you find you are among friends and enjoy participating in all aspects of the club. Shruti, on behalf of the members of the Innerville Club of Greater Cochin, I welcome you and I introduce this new member to you and ask you to extend your friendship together. Welcome, Shruti.
All the members, please rise and welcome.
Thank you, Jodi, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, ESO PDC Saraswati Kannan for the honors, and thank you, PDC Padmaja Menon. Thank you so much. So she's our new member. A big hand of applause for her. Thank you. Welcome to the Innerville family. Now it's time for felicitations. May I request District Vice Chairman Asha Sunil to please give her felicitations.
Good evening. First and foremost, my heartfelt congratulations to the immediate past president, Shyamala Gopakumar and her team. The project of that waste bin that was inaugurated by the mayor, I was also present. I think that was a wonderful project. And I congratulate the current team, which is going to be led by President Jyoti Surendran. I wish you and the entire team the very, very, very best. Wonderful seeing PDC Padmaja Menon. I'm very sorry that I could not make it physically there. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you so much. We also missed you. We thought that we will see you here, but last minute things. Thank you. Yeah, pleasure hearing you. Moving right along, it's my pleasure to call upon PDC Geeta Marcos to share a few words with us.
Good evening. Newly elected President Jyoti, members of the District EC, PDCs, and my dear friends in Innerville. I am honored to address this virtual meeting. I thank Jyoti for giving me this opportunity. My association with Jyoti started during my period as district chairman in 2005-06. Jayasri was the president of your club. I still remember your grand fundraising program, a musical concert of MG Srikumar and Ranjini Jose. I was also given the opportunity to inaugurate it. Thank you, Jayashree. My rally was in Muvatura. Rosemary Kuruvula from your club was the rally chairman. Many of your club members, including Jyoti, were involved in organizing the rally to make it a grand success. So I had the opportunity to work closely with them. My sincere thanks to them. I remember my close friend and colleague in the district executive committee, Vinu Roger, from your club, who was the district editor. She collected the maximum amount for the district souvenir. To my knowledge, till now, the record is not broken. Thank you, Minnie. Sorry for saying all this when I got an opportunity to address you. Once again, my thanks to your club and its members for being with me during my tenure as district chairman. I congratulate the outgoing president Shyamala Gopakumar and her team for the outstanding projects they could finish during this year in spite of the pandemic. Incoming President Jyoti is very dear to me, a very friendly, loving, and dedicated Innavil member who has taken the post of president a second time. We have a strong bond of friendship between us. Even after many years, we are in touch with each other. We had the opportunity to see each other at the virtual installation of Kolancheri Club. Both of us were so happy that we talked over the phone for more than half an hour. Jyoti, I wish you and your team all the very best for a successful and fruitful Innavil year ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, VDC Geeta Marcos, for those lovely words. Now let me invite VDC Sindhu Sethu to address us. She's also present online.
Newly installed President Jyoti Surendran, Chief Guest of the Day, past District Chairman of Innavil District 320, Padmaja S. Menon, District EC members, past District Chairman, Chairman's Group Representative Sweta Vasudevan, Rotarian President Vijay, members of Innavil Club of Greater Cochin, and newly inducted member Ms. Shruti Nivedita, and other Innavil members attending this meet on Zoom. Good evening to you all. One more Innavil year has come to an end, but this time, a year of unprecedented restrictions. Still, immediate past President Shyamala Gopakumar and team could achieve their goals. We should really appreciate all the club officers of Team 2021 led by District Chairman Deepthi Anu, as it was great sense of responsibility that they had to accept at the time of a worst humanitarian crisis. Still they sailed through. Congrats Shyamala and team for the good work done. This Innavil year, it's pink first. Newly installed President Jyoti, it's your second term as club president after many years. I'm sure with your experience in Innavil and excellent PR, you will definitely be successful in your tenure. Your bubbly, witty nature will help you overcome the stress during this testing time. Not as a president, please don't misunderstand. Greater Cochin Club Chiri Muttashiyana Jyoti. Call her. I'm sure all Innavil friends close to her know about it. Her style of calling names very lovingly and personal calls to all friends often makes her dear to all. She agreed to take up this distinguished post a second time only because she enjoys Innavil to serve the needy, to make friends, and to enjoy life as it comes. So I think you are the best choice during this frequent lockdown period. You have an able secretary, Alina Matthew. I know her, a perfectionist, and she's also experienced. So with the support of the entire team of office bearers and club members, Jyoti, you will be able to execute your duties well. My wishes to you and your team 21-22 for a fantastic, fruitful Innovate year. I remember how well the members of this club supported District Conference Nirmiti in 2019 when I was a district chairman. This club has got very talented, dynamic, and strong past presidents. It's high time that past presidents, step forward and enter the district. Okay. And Innovate members, we have always tried to reach out to more hearts and lives, making women around us strong and powerful in order to build a stronger world. Let's continue this service with zeal, seizing the best opportunities. Innovate Year 2021 has already given us a chance to learn to change a challenge to an opportunity. Once more, wish the new team all success ahead, and thank you so much, President Jyoti and team Greater Cochin, for giving me this opportunity to offer felicitation. Thank you.
Thank you, PDC Sindhu Sethu, for those lovely, cute voices. Chiri Muttashi, anyway, I would like to call upon PDC Deepthi Anu for her felicitations.
Yes, Deepthi.
Thank you, Gauri. Hearty congratulations, dear Shamala Gopakumar and team, for successfully and efficiently leading the change. It's been a very challenging year, and I'm glad you did a great year. You were one amongst the very few clubs whom I could personally visit for the project, for the club assembly, and the general body meeting. So something that I will really cherish, and the memories with my dear members in Innovate Club of Greater Cochin. And today, it was a pleasure to be part of the installation of the new president, Jyoti Surendran. Jyoti auntie and your team, bestest wishes. Yes, it is indeed a different year from the earlier year that you were the president, and this year will be something really different, and you will surely enjoy it. Like PDC Sindhu just said, Chiri Muttashi rightly termed for the newly installed president, Jyoti. And her loving calls. She calls, and that long Deepthi Kuti, she says, that makes us really long for that, that voice note that she sends. Auntie, wishing you a fantastic year of Pink First. Good luck to the team of office bearers here. Loved hearing you, PDC Padmaja Menon, after a very long time. And just like she said, this club has a lot of members always ready for the Innovate travel. President Jyoti, Secretary Alina, past President Rajashree Rajendran, my dear Remni auntie, Lakshmi and Neetu, and of course, seeing them, many of you should be inspired and ready to travel to district events, national events, and international. This year, we have an opportunity to travel together to Varanasi for the Triennial Conference. So get set and be prepared. Newly installed President Jyoti Surendran, come up with a lot of registrations from Innovate Club of Greater Cochin. Thank you and best wishes.
Thank you so much, PDC Deepthi Anu, for those lovely wishes. Now I request CGR Shweta Vasudev to felicitate.
Yes, I'm here. Thanks, Gauri. After felicitating after PDC Sindhu and IPDC Deepthi, a lot of things which I wanted to say, which I now cannot, because it has already been said, but adding on to it, President Jyoti Surendran, immediate past President Shamala Gopakumar, Chief Guest PDC Padmaja Menon, other gathered Innovate dignitaries, present and past, Innovate members, Rotarians, and invited guests. It's my pleasure to bring you greetings and felicitations from our District Chairman, Advocate Alamelu Sivaramakrishnan, as well as on my personal behalf. I have had the pleasure of actually attending several meetings of the Innovate Club of Greater Cochin over the years. The times have now changed, and we have all had to learn to adapt. Warm wishes to all my friends at this club. It's lovely to see you here, even though I'm not there in person. I would really like to name all the names, but then I might run out of time. Congratulations for a year well done to immediate past President Shamala and her team. You did not let the pandemic hinder your progress in your work towards the community. and your camaraderie within the club. Congratulations once again. President Jyoti auntie to a lot of us, I know you to be enthusiastic, vibrant, and ever ready to participate in any and all activities. This should be a cakewalk for you to lead the club once again. Enjoy your year ahead. We are all there to support you. Welcoming the newly inducted member, Shruti, to this lovely organization. Do well, take up posts, and enjoy your time with all your Innerville friends. President Jyoti, once again, wishing you and your team a wonderful Innerville year together. Do well and stay safe. God bless.
Thank you, CJ Shweta. It is lovely hearing you. Representing our sister clubs, we now have President of Innerville Club of Kalamasheri, Padmini Pisharani, to felicitate us.
President Jyoti Surendran, immediate past President Shyamala Gopakumar, Chief Guest past District Chairman Padmaja S. Menon, all dignitaries present here, my dear friends. A warm good evening to all. It is my privilege to felicitate Jyoti Surendran and her team of office bearers. In this occasion, I would like to appreciate immediate past President Shyamala Gopakumar and her team for their commendable performance during the last year. I am confident that the new team will carry forward the legacy and bring more glory to the club. Congratulations and all the very best to Jyoti and her team. Thank you, Jyoti, for giving me this opportunity. Once again, best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now, all the online felicitations are over. We have Rotary Club of Greater Cochin President, Rotarian Vijay Menon, who will be felicitating us, and he is physically present.
Incoming President, Ms. Jyoti Surendran. Outgoing President, Ms. Shyamala Gopakumar. Our Chief Guest of the Day, Padmaja S. Menon. Secretary Alina Matthew. Members of Rotary Greater Cochin Innerville Club. Warm greetings from Rotary Club of Greater Cochin. I feel very happy and privileged to be here because this is some kind of unique moment where your outgoing president as well as your incoming president, both of them are my very close friends. We have known each other for many years. Shyamala Chechi and her family is very close to me and my family. I am an architect by profession, and Gopakumar sir is one of the well-respected senior-most architects of the state and the country, a winner of the prestigious Baburao Welfare Award, and also my colleague and president of Better Cochin Response Group, of our group which works for betterment of city of Cochin. I'm also a member in that. So many connections. Anuj is my junior in DKM College of Engineering in Architecture. So we have traveled together in international trips, and we have had great friendship over the years. Similarly, from the day I joined Rotary, Jyoti Chechi and her husband, Advocate V.V. Surendran, a leading advocate in Kochi, he's here. And also I have one more colleague, Mr. Vijay Nair. All three of us are from Rotary Club of Greater Cochin. And we have had such great friendship and chemistry. And it is no secret in our club, we have a great bonding. And I think this is some kind of a unique opportunity that I have become president this year, and Ms. Jyoti Surendran has taken over as the president of Greater Cochin Innerville. The Rotary International theme for the year 2021-22 is Serve to Change Lives. And the Greater Cochin theme is Strong Women and Stronger World. And I think for the year it is Pink First, which again mentions the importance of women in the field of service. Who needs Rotary service? This is an important question. There was a study by an agency, international agency called Credit Suisse, who made a study of India's. If you look at the total household wealth of the country, 60% of this wealth is with the top 1% of the population. 60% of total country's household wealth is with the top 1% of the country's population. Whereas at the bottom, if you look at the 10% of our population in the bottom, their household wealth share is 0.7% and further declining. This study was in 2016, and I'm sure it is now, it would have gone even down, further down from points. This is the 10% that needs the service of Rotary. Who are these 10%? Who are these people? These are the poorest of the poor, the underprivileged and marginalized sections of the society. There are people who are destitutes, there are people who are orphaned, who are differently abled, who are mentally challenged, and women and girl children who suffer different kind of different kind of experiences that they have to bear through their lives. And this whole section of society which is calamity affected. All the calamities that has been happening, whether it is the flood or the attack by the sea or the pandemic, it is not the middle class or the upper classes that is getting affected severely. It is this lower 10% which is getting affected. So we should, I think, take this as an opportunity that we are part of this great organization called Rotary, as Innovate, as also as Rotary International, of which all the Rotary clubs are also part of. This movement should target serving this bottom 10% of the people who needs our help. The RI vision is to come together and make lasting change to the world, to the communities around us, and to ourselves. So through service, we are not only making changes to the world, but also we are making changes to ourselves and the communities around us. And the first part of the vision says we should come together and unite. And I see a great opportunity that our club and the Innovate Club can do some projects together in the coming year. Beginning with an area where Ms. Jyoti Surendran and her husband, Advocate Surendran, they do a lot of work for the Padurthi Relief Settlement, where there are destitutes, and we as a club, we have been providing monthly medical supplies to this particular institute. Similarly, we do in Kottalengo Institute, which is another center for differently abled and old age people who are mentally challenged but who are also very old. And in such initiatives, I welcome your Innovate team also to come together and we can become partners. It's not about how much you contribute and all that. It's also about if we come together and do the service together, there will be new avenues and new opportunities that will open tomorrow. So this is something that we should foster for our future. And I am also happy to address all of you because I have lots of known people and friends in this hall. We have our regional sports center, walking team. We have Ms. Elena Matthew, who's the incoming secretary. We have Sini Sakriya and Shamla Chechi. All of us are friends from our morning walking group. Also from my club, Rotary Greater Cochin, Rotary Hands. We have Kala Chechi and Kamale Revimon, and also Lata Chechi. All of them are very close to me, very close to all of us in Greater Cochin. So it's a great opportunity and pleasure for me to address this audience. I must congratulate on the great amount of work and service that is done by the outgoing team led by Ms. Shyamala Gopakumar. And I wish her all the very best and also ask her to continue to support more and more such projects in the coming year. And I wish Jyoti Surendran and Ms. Elena Matthew and their team all the very best for the coming Rotary year 2021-22. Wishing you all the success, joy of coming together, lot of fun events, but also a lot of opportunity to do service in the coming year. Good health and happiness to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rotary President Vijay Menon, for those information and all this very close to the heart speech. We are coming to the fag end of our function, and last but not the least, I request Secretary Alina Matthew to give the vote of thanks.
Good evening. We express our sincere thanks to our President Jyoti Surendran, our Chief Guest, respected PDC Padmajaya Menon, our District's Vice Chairman Rasha Sunan, District ESO PDC Saraswati Kannan, CGS Sweta Vasudev, respected PDCs, immediate past President Shyamala Gopakumar, Presidents and Secretaries of Sister Clubs, my own club members, Rotary President Vijay Menon, and Rotary Secretary Shiva Shankar, and guests, thank you all. Our sincere thanks goes to Vijay Nair, who gave us all the technical assistance for this program. Our gratitude goes to Mr. Boss, who is in charge of Mason Group, who provided us with this facility. Thanks to our awesome MC, Gauri Sharat, Rosewood Caterers, who provided us the refreshments and snacks for this function. Last not the least, Mr. Prem, who managed our sound system for today's program. Once again, thank you all. Have a great day.
Actually, we missed saying thanks to your husband, who is here, President Surendran. A big round of applause for him also, because he was the backbone to this lovely lady. Thank you so much. That concludes the formal proceedings for this event. Thank you all for joining us online and also here. Please rise for the national anthem.
Jana Jana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya Hai Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Ganga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Ujjala Jaladi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashish Mahe Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangala Dayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He